I got a lot of stuff from Walmart. Do you want to try it all together? It's like spring, summer, a lot of dresses. Let's just jump right into it. Dress number one has a square neck, and what I really like is the back panel with a stretch, so it makes it easy not to wear a bra. Midi length. I'm 5'4", just for reference, and then it has beautiful eyelet details and it's fully lined. Oh, wait. It has pockets. It has pockets, girlies. This color is so pretty. I think I also saw it in black and white, but I love a pop of color. What do we think? I'm gonna go ahead and put links, but I'm gonna do a like a letter or something. I'll make it blink over here, so then you can match up the dress or the item with the link, make it easier. First glance, this one looks like a winner. But if I raise my arm, yeah, that would be my boob. I guess it's nursing friendly, but it's not like the look I'm going for. This is a no-go for me because I have a little more bust. But the sheer arms, the fully lined dress, I wish this did not have cutouts and fit me, like had a little room up here. Okay, this looks like a dress I would throw on all summer long. It has a linen feel to it. I believe it's called the linen midi dress. I'll have to check, but I love the ruffle at the bottom, the stretch waistband. It's just, I love the little flutter sleeves. I'm super self-conscious about my arms, so I just like having it a little bit covered. This is like one of those go-to dresses that you throw on time after time again. I love it. It's probably one of the cheapest ones in the bunch. This color is so dang pretty for summer and spring. Look at the detailing on the arms. It does have this to tie amount. Like, do I do a little bow? Do I do a knot to the side? I like a knot to the side, I think. But I love how it makes it so you can cinch in your waist, or you could like loosen it up. Okay, let's give the neck a moment. Look at the neck. I love this color, this neckline. So pretty. Dang it, I didn't think I would like this dress, but it is so cute. Oh, it has pockets. Oh, it has pockets. So cute. Okay, let's look at this detailing with the little ruffle tiers. Cute. Just love a flutter sleeve. What do we think about this one? I believe each dress I'm showing today is under 40 bucks, by the way. Dresses above my knee are so outside of my comfort zone, but I think I found another winner. Like, look at this. The pleating, come on, yes. A high neck. I love a high neck. This might make it into the spring, summer wardrobe. What do you guys think? It has no pockets though. That's the only downfall of this dress. No pockets. Every dress should have pockets. All right, let's venture out of the dresses and go to a jumpsuit. I look like an Elle Woods contractor. It's giving construction Barbie. I don't know what I was thinking when I picked this out. I think I was trying to go outside my comfort zone, and we're way outside my comfort zone. I actually don't think it looks that bad, but it has very little stretch and is very constricting. So it's a no for me. Okay. First off, where did I think I was going to wear this? Second off, this is as good as it gets. Trying to fit this over my top. There's no way it's going to zip up here. Okay, it actually kind of is cute if it fits. But where would I wear this? What was I thinking? Did I add this to my cart? Was I under the influence of chocolate chip cookies? All right, last one because I hear the baby waking up from his nap. But this dress, I love it. It is 100% cotton. I love the neckline. I am so self-conscious of my arms, but for some reason, this cut just makes all of that melt away. And the amount of compliments I got on this, I actually, as soon as I got it out of the box, I wore it. Pockets. She is cute. The only downfall is strapless bra. And if you're someone who can wear no bra, good for you, but that ain't me after breastfeeding 3 kids. All right, I'm gonna go figure out what I need in return, what I'm gonna keep, but I want to see in the comments which was your favorite piece from today.